How to record your Android screen with internal audio. To record your Android screen with internal audio, you can use the built-in screen recorder. If your device runs Android 10 or newer, this feature allows you to capture system sounds like game audio or music without using your microphone. So what you want to do is, the most modern thing is, you could swipe down from the top and you could go ahead and look for screen record or screen recorder icon. If you don't see it, just go ahead and select the pencil shape icon and you can find it right over here. Currently, I'm screen sharing my screen, so you could see that I'm screen recording it. Now, if I want to go ahead and record the internal audio, you also have to make sure to go ahead and select microphone, and for that you want to make sure to enable device volume and microphone. So that is how you will be able to take an internal audio as well while screen recording. That is basically how you can go ahead and use the built-in screen recorder on your device. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.